Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and this is Ajhar Islam, and today in this video I will show you how to fix your order email notification of your WooCommerce website. For example, if someone trying to order from your e-commerce website and you don't receive your order email notification as an admin, or your customer also don't receive any email if someone trying to forget password from your website or trying to register and they don't get or receive email from their email account. So we will use Gmail SMTP to fix this issue, and you will directly receive email in your Gmail account. So it's a totally free method and it has some limit. From the free SMTP account, you can send maximum 500 emails. If you use Google Workspace, it can send maximum 2000 emails. So let's get started, and before starting this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe the YouTube channel to get more updates. So first of all, you can visit your WordPress dashboard, and if you don't know how to create a website like the e-commerce website, you can follow my previous video, and this is the click shop theme. It has direct buy now feature. If you click on buy now button, or your customer click on buy now button, they can type their name, phone number and customer address to purchase physical product. And if customers trying to purchase a digital product from the website, they will see customer name and email address only, and they can purchase easily using online payment gateways. Okay, so it has much more feature, and you can follow my previous video. So let's go back to our video part, and this is our WordPress dashboard. And log in your WordPress dashboard to add the feature on your WordPress website, and go to plugins and click on add new or add plugin, and here you can search for SMTP, and WordPress will suggest you some plugins, and I wanna install this one, WP Mail SMTP. So let's click on the install button. Also you can install another plugin and Fluent SMTP much better. So I want to install and active this one, and go back to dashboard, and here you can set up your SMTP mail and from email. Type your from email. You can replace it, and this email will be sent you mail, but I will change it later on. And scroll down, and as you can see, we have got some mailer, so you can use PHP mailer, smtp.com, send layer. And if you want to more emails, and if you want to send unlimited mails, you can use Amazon ACS service. So I will show you later, but now I want to show you Google or Gmail SMTP, and scroll down, and here you can paste client ID and client secret. To find the client ID and secret key, we need to visit Google Cloud Console. So let's open a new tab and search for Google Cloud Console. Okay, then hit enter and scroll down, and you will get the link Google Cloud Console. Let's visit the link, and here as you can see we have got a new project. But if you don't have any project, you can create new project from here. Let's click on it, and then click new project, then type your project name. You can type anything, whatever you want. So I'm typing my project name, then click on create button, and see this project is creating. Then click on the select project. After selected the project, then click on here and see APIs and services. So hover on it and click on OAuth concerned skin. Then we need to create a new OAuth client. Click on get started and type your application information. Type SMTP, and you can type anything. Don't worry, you can type anything, and select your email from here. So I wanna select the email and select audience from external. Then click on next, and again type your contact information or contact email. So I wanna again copy this email from here and paste it over here. Then again click on next, select it and click on continue and click on create. And finally we need to create OAuth client, and click on create OAuth client button and wait a few seconds. And also you can go to clients option from here. Then you will see this screen and select your application type, and I have selected web application, and type your web app client name. So again I wanna type SMTP and click on authorized redirect URLs. So this is the main part of this client. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and go to here, and as you can see we have got authorized redirect URI, and let's copy it from here and paste it over here, and then click on this button create and wait a few seconds. And as you can see we have got the client ID. So copy the client ID from here and go back to your dashboard and paste it over here, client ID, and click on OK. And as you can see we have got the client ID, and open the client ID, and as you can see we have got client secrets. So we have to copy the secret from here, client secret, or you can also download the JSON file. If you forget the client secret, you can recover the client secret from the JSON file. So paste it over here, client secret, and click on save settings button, and then we need to authorize the project. Let's scroll down, and as you can see we have got authorization and it has a button. Let's click on it and choose your Gmail account. So this is the Gmail account I want to configure, and see we have got the error. Don't worry, it's not a big issue. We need to publish the app or project. So go back to your Google Cloud Console, and here you can click on audience tab, and as you can see this application is testing mode. Click on the publish app, then click on confirm button, then wait a few seconds, and as you can see now this project is in production mode. Okay, and then we need to active the API. So go to again API, then go to libraries, and here you can search Gmail API. Okay, search Gmail API and open the Gmail API from here and click on enable, and that's it. Then again go back to your website, then again reload this page, and again select your account from here. Then you will see the warning or error. Don't worry, it's not a problem. Let's click on advanced, then click on go to unsave option. Let's click on it and click on the continue button and wait a few seconds, and then scroll down. So let's see, and see we have successfully authorized the connection. So after authorize the connection, then we need to set up our email. So here you can type your Gmail ID. So I have configured the Gmail ID, and let's copy it from here. I wanna send all emails from the Gmail ID. So you can put your Gmail ID, and that's it. And also you can change the from name. So type your brand name or your website name here, and scroll down, then click on save settings. And after that we can test the email configuration or SMTP configuration. Go to tools from here, and from the email test tab you can paste your send to email. So I wanna send the test email to the Gmail account. So this is my another Gmail account. Paste on it, then click on the button send mail, and as you can see we have successfully sent the email. And then we can check the inbox of the email. Go to the email inbox and see we have got our test mail. Let's open it, and as you can see we have successfully configured the SMTP, and now your WordPress is successfully configured the SMTP. And now I want to show you how to configure the SMTP for your WooCommerce website and WooCommerce email notification. So let's go to WooCommerce and click on settings from WooCommerce, and here you can see the email tabs. So go to settings and click on emails, and here as you can see we have got some options, new order email notification and recipient. And if customer order from your website and you can receive email as an admin, so you can replace the admin mail from here. So I wanna manage this email and replace my Gmail account, so you can change it. Let's go back to your Gmail account and new order email to the Gmail account. So simply replace it. So I wanna paste it, then scroll down and click on save changes. Also you can replace the cancelled order mail. So paste it over here, and again click on save changes and simply close it after saving, and then replace the failed order Gmail. So if failed the order, you will receive email notification to the Gmail account. So we have replaced this new order or failed order or cancelled order admin mail. And if you reload this page, and as you can see, we have successfully replaced it. And also your customer will get email notification if failed order or order processing or completed the order or create new account. They will also receive mail. And we have to set the from name and from email address. So this is our brand name or website name. Type your brand name or website name, then from address. So from address is our configured mail. So this is our SMTP configured mail, and copy it from here and paste it over here. Okay, that's it. And if someone order from your website, and they will receive email from the email account. Okay, then replace your logo. So you can set your own logo, website logo from here. So I have selected this logo, and you can set logo width and change the color from here, and heading text color, and also customize the template from here. For example, I want to change the heading and text color, and see we have changed the heading and text color, and also you can change the secondary text color. So you can select it from here. Okay, so that's it, and you can choose your brand color, then click on the save settings button. And if you go to your website and reload this page, and if you try to create new order as a customer, let's type customer name. So customer can type their name, their phone number. So I'm typing the phone number and customer address. So customer can easily type their address. Okay, then the customer can type some note for the order. Then finally they can click on the place order button, and we have successfully placed the order. So this is our pop-up order system, and we have successfully ordered. And you can check the email notification and see we have got a new order notification as an admin. So admin can see the order ID and customer information, customer phone number, and all information from here. And if you wanna get more emails, you can use Amazon AWS. For the 1000 emails, this price only 10 cents. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel to get more updates.